Hi. It's been almost 7 years since I started Storyworks. And over the years, many of you have asked me whether I'm open to doing public open nomination workshops. And my usual answer has been no. We've just completed our 100th Storytelling for Leaders program, and only 2 of them have been public workshops, back in 2014 and 2015 in Bombay. And the reason for that is we are a boutique consulting firm, and running a public program takes a lot of bandwidth. But this time, Right Selections has decided to partner with us and help me run 2 workshops, one on January 21st in Mumbai and the other on January 23rd in Bangalore. It's been 5-6 years since the last public program, and I'm really not sure when the next one will be. So if you really want to learn business storytelling the Storyworks way, then do not miss this opportunity and register. What you'll learn is how you can be much better at connecting, engaging, and inspiring people, selling your ideas to your seniors and your colleagues, and getting your team to be aligned to the changes that you're making. And that's a wonderful skill to learn. Over 2,000 leaders have gone through our Storytelling for Leaders program that covers around 29 companies over 8 industries. And all of them have learned to be fantastic storytellers, and so can you. There must be a good reason why our average net promoter score is upwards of 87%, and the average satisfaction score for the program, 9.5 on 10. So don't miss this opportunity. Go ahead and register, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.